before we start the review, I would like to tell you about the VELOCIFIRE. The VELOCIFIRE designs and develops a series of mechanical keyboards for typing and working and mechanical making. Keyboard become a must-have office appliances. Typing becomes more enjoyable, more comfortable. You can use this mechanical keyboard while using the cam, or it is the perfect for the Mac. It is designed really cool. Also, VELOCIFIRE adopts Ultimo brown switches after repeated tests. Brown switches have lower required equation force, less travel distance, and quiet sound, making them perfect for typing and working. Your finger won't feel tired or ache after a long time you are using this keyboard. You will really enjoy. So let's unbox this first and see what you have inside the box, and to check the keyboard quality and the features and how it works and how smooth it is. And also it has the brown keys option. Let's check out. So this is the VELOCIFIRE M87 Mac mechanical keyboard, which is really have the Mac keyboard layout. It also has the LED white backlight, brown switches for Mac user, typist, programmer, gamer, designer, and for many. Let's unbox this first. So what we have here, a mechanical keyboard. And the key opener to check. I will show you how it's used and what's the purpose of this keyboard opener. And what we more have inside the box is we have the mechanical keyboard user guideline, which gives you the how to use this keyboard, like the F1 F12 functions, which features it will use, FN plus key, which features it use, and also have its gaming mode, car, racing, NBA, self-design, FPS, CF, code. You can use many games. It also has the macro recording function self-design, which is if you press F9 plus function plus F9 turns on self-design, then press function plus end, it will change the backlight, it will change the functions of the LED lights. There are also many features you will see inside this keyboard. Here you can see, if you read, there are the insert key, enter the normal light, there are home button, where enter the point color mode. You can change the whole keyboard each time. There is page up, delete, and page down. They are all used for different purpose and different features for the different LED backlights. It also comes with a global local warranty, which is warranty 1 year. You can see this warranty gives you specific legal rights. You may also have other rights guaranteed under the local law. These rights may vary. There are warranty of agreement, wherever you can see if the product has defect in material or manufacture, VELOCIFIRE will provide product repair and replacement service within the warranty period. There is also the shipping that will be identified by others, and the condition where free maintenance is not provided. Any fault, any damage, anything, you can claim your keyboard. It also has the trademark statement. Here in the box you will find the 87 keys mechanical keyboard, key puller, and the user manual. There is a service if you want to contact them. So this is what we have for the M87 Mac backlight mechanical keyboard user guide. Let's check out the keyboard and what we have more. Let's talk about the design of this keyboard. The Mac design. VELOCIFIRE 87 Mac layout mechanical keyboard pairs automatically with your Mac. It will give you the functions to use in the Mac, so you can plug and work. Action. And it also have the brown keys, where I can show you the brown keys, how it's you can see the brown keys. Let's take out this key opener to check how brown thing. All you need to do is to plug this key opener and pull. If you see the brown keys in the keyboard, they have used the many brown keys. All the keyboard is on the brown keys, and these are working really fine. Let me show you the few more so you can easily understand either to use or not. So these are the brown keys, if you see them. So the brown keys are experience optimized key travel distance and tactical feedback with every keystroke. VELOCIFIRE M87 mechanical keyboard provides a comfortable and precise typing experience while using this. If you use this key, here you can see the sound of the brown keys, and also is giving you a little faster performance and outcome. The design of this light is curved. The keys, you can see that it has the curved design, which is simply ergonomics keyboard design, removing typing fatigue and carpal tunnel pain. M87 Mac layout mechanical keyboard features a compact layout DKL. Using the DKL keyboard, you will amazed how space you save, and it will much easier to reach for your mouse. You can see this, it has the little size VELOCIFIRE, giving you in small spaces the whole keys. It don't have the numpad, but it's really cool with this. Let's take the back of the keyboard to check. It has the two stand where you can properly use this keyboard. It will use a battery of 100 mAh. Let me put them back to see. Here I will show you that how its keyboard works. I have opened the app of keyboard tester to test the keyboard, the response of this keyboard and the keys. Let's check it out. Here you can see the response of this keys. Brown keys is really good. It's giving a nanosecond time or nanoseconds. It's working really fast, and each function is using is great, giving you a quick response. It can be used while typing, gaming, or writing, or any type of work. It is really good for that. All the keys is using really good. So this VELOCIFIRE keyboard is really good. It is a model of a Mac M87 mechanical keyboard, which can be used for purpose for the Mac and other PC. You can use typing, you can use for the gaming purpose or the other purpose. It will give you the smooth typing experience, as well as the keys they have used is really good. It gives you the best response time. These VELOCIFIRE keyboards is really cool. I think the lightning of the keyboard, the response of the keyboard, the design of the keyboard is really outclass. You can easily get this keyboard by the links given below. Thanks for watching this review. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.